How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is an update video. I just squeezed in a little bit of time to make this video and tell you a little bit about what is going on because it has been a very busy and crazy last several weeks. Content hasn't been as regular, hasn't been as polished, and it's been less frequent. So I want to talk a little bit about that and where we're going in the future. So first of all, we've been working on this for the past summer. It's about 6 months since we started this project. Our electric vehicle documentary is finally coming out very soon. That's mainly what our focus has been over the last several months, editing that together. It's been a really great time, and I'm super proud of how it's turning out. As you saw in the trailer that we published, if you haven't seen that, check that out right up there. It's coming out in December. It's already December. So yes, it's coming out very soon, within the next couple of weeks. So I'm so excited for you guys to see that. We're just wrapping everything up, and it is really great. I'm so excited to show you that. So be sure to hit the subscribe button. It's going to be live on Amazon Prime and YouTube. And we will be publishing a little deleted scenes teaser video on our documentary. We're publishing that on Thursday. It's a deleted scene about buying a used electric car. So check that out. Get you excited for the final product, which is coming in a couple of weeks. Second order of business, once we do past Christmas and publishing this movie, YouTube is going to be the main focus. We have a ton of content that we're working on, and I'm so excited to show you some of the stuff we're doing. I have a literal pile of stuff we have to review in my office, and we got some really amazing things too. So we got this 5-bay hard drive docking station from Sabrent. They're the one that sent us the wireless HDMI transmitter. They sent me a 5-bay docking station. It is really cool, some of the stuff you can do with it. You have to use software RAID, but I've been playing around with it, coming up with a couple of uses for 5 hard drives docked to my Mac Pro. And I'm excited to show you what we're going to do with that. It's pretty cool, and we'll have a review on that. They also sent us their 1TB Rocket Nano SSD for traveling and stuff. It's super tiny and it's really cool. So we'll have a video. I'll probably mash those together, and that's going to be a pretty awesome review. We're also working on our first paid gig making videos for somebody. So the video we made a little while back about the top 5 hidden spy cameras or something, that was a sponsored content that was paid. We got paid to make that video. Now they're actually sending us cameras to make for their own channel. So we're actually making content that is not for us. It's going to be for them. So we're making our normal YouTube videos on top of whatever else we have to send them for those tutorial videos. So a little bit of focus is going to be put into that, and that's what we've been doing alongside the movie for a little while. So we still have to finish up a couple of those, but once we do that, we'll be back to full content and everything here. Fourth order of business I have to talk about is the studio. I am getting a little bit tired. I'm tired of green and some of the stuff in there, so we're going to change it up a little bit. So maybe starting the new year, we'll change up some of the stuff we have in here and see if we can make this look any cooler or better. We're also working on Studio 2. So this is going to be more of a sit-down, informal talk like what we're doing right now, except we don't need a table. We don't need all of this distracting stuff or something. So it's going to be a portion of my office that we're changing into a studio of sorts. So we're working on that. That's going to be a little while until that's ready. That's one of the least priority things right now. But it's going to be pretty cool. So it's going to be more of a sit down chair, talk to the camera type of thing rather than show you something here. So we're working on that as well. My server rack is getting full. So I'm looking, and it's not very easy, but I'm looking for a full height server rack. We have like 12U, I think is what we have right now. I'm looking for like a 48 or something. I have a lot of plans for putting stuff in a bigger server rack. As you saw, we did that Mac Mini Ubuntu thing. I kind of want to rack mount that. And I may also want to try and rack mount my 2012 12-core Mac Pro. That might be a cool project too. So if I happen to find a 48U server rack, we're definitely going to be making some content on that. But beyond that, I think that's all I have for you. So let me know what you guys think if you have any questions. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark at Tech, and I will see you in the next one.